I'm Maureen Anders and I'm here with AR Workshop. Today we're going to show you another fabulous, fun fall porch makeover. So our porch makeover was all about the fall harvest this time. So what we did was incorporate lots of neutrals, as well as we went to Home Depot to get really inexpensive grasses. And these are great because after you're done using them, you can use them in your home, you can dry them out and use them over and over again every year. I love the new DIY decor from AR Workshop, and let me show you a few things that we're going to share. Our first DIY project we made for the porch was this porch sign, and we transformed our typical porch sign by adding a frame to it. What I love about that is with the white house, you pull in a different texture, you pull in a stain and a paint color that really pulls together all the colors of the home. Now it's time to dress up your door. Instead of a wreath, this time we're going to do a personalized wooden sign that's hung with adorable buffalo check ribbon. And to take it to the next level, pick your favorite sprig of greenery from any craft store. And what you could do is just stick it in and hot glue it to your sign. There, that looks perfect. You're pulling in your greenery from the porch and it's all cohesive. Don't forget to dress up your doorstep, and the easiest way to do it is to make one at AR Workshop. We have the layered rug look, which is amazing. It's a doormat, it's personalized, layered on top of this buffalo check pattern rug. And what I love about this is it lasts all year long. It's versatile enough that it goes with the harvest theme, but it could also be for summer or spring. We hope you love our fall porch makeover. For more tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel, as well as visit us at arworkshop.com to make a custom project near you.